Stop. Hi, I'm Sheridan.
Hi, I'm Kamila.
And this is Cass. And today we're doing some fun science
Experiment.
We have a milk one that we're doing with some food coloring, a bubble one that we're doing with water, soap, and food coloring, and I think that's it. And then we're doing, it's called fireworks, and you do oil, water, and they mix and they look like fireworks. So first we're gonna do the milk one, and for that we're gonna need some plates. Then we're gonna need some milk, and you don't need a lot, you just need enough to cover the bottom of the plate. Now we need food coloring. It doesn't have to be multicolors, you can just use one color. I just have a different variety. And drop a couple drops throughout the milk. It doesn't have to be in any certain order. And they can be like little drops, big drops. And I think I'm just gonna do some blue. Then we're taking some Q-tips. Here's yours. And some dish soap. It can be any dish soap, it doesn't have to be a certain kind. And you're getting a little bit on your Q-tip. Next, you're taking the Q-tip and you're just gonna dunk it in the milk. Look, isn't that cool?
Look at mine.
Wow.
Cool, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at mine.
I see yours. Yours looks really cool. This is our first time doing this, so we didn't even know if it was gonna work.
It looks
like
cool.
super
Mine looks
cool.
like 4th of July. Yours look like the gallon.
That is just too awesome. Wow.
Then look at the Q-tip.
Isn't that cool?
Cool.
Cool. So for the next experiment, we're doing bubbles. You're gonna need a big bowl just so the bubbles can like fall into the bowl. You're gonna need plates. You can use hard plates, whatever plates you have handy. You're gonna need some dish soap, any kind of dish soap. You're gonna need some water. You're gonna need 2 bottles and something to cut the bottles with. And then you're gonna need some socks. They're clean, they're just mismatch. We don't have those pairs. So first we're gonna have to cut the bottles. Make sure you have a parent that can help you if you're not old enough to do it. So after you cut your bottle, you're gonna get your sock, put your sock on, and make sure you pull it all the way down. And if your sock is like super long, fold it down, but make sure that it's like tight at the bottom. Just fold it down a little bit because you're going to be blowing on the end part. You got it? We're going to take some water. And it doesn't have to be a lot, but just enough. Like you don't really want like it covering the plate or nothing. Okay. Next we're going to take some dish soap. And you want kind of like a good amount in there. Next, I'm going to use the knife to stir it. Use a spoon at home. Don't use a knife. Next, you're going to take your bottle and you're going to dip it into the soap and the water. Make sure it's like a good amount on there. Good. And make sure that when you go to blow, you blow. Don't suck in because when you suck it in, it's going to go all in your mouth. Okay, ready? Okay. That is too cool.
Ooh, cool. Ooh. I don't have a good one of mine.
There you go.
Whoa! Sheridan did.
So for the next fun experiment, we are doing, it's called jar firework or something like that. So for this one, we are going to start with this small clear cup. We're going to get some oil, and you just need a little bit of oil in there. maybe not even that much, but. And then for this one, you can do some. We are just going to just drop the food coloring into the oil. Just do a couple drops. We're gonna stir them up a little bit. You're gonna get your clear cup, and you want a clear cup so you can see what's going on in your cup. You don't want like a colored cup. Then you're going to fill this. At this point, you want to pour your oil in slow.
It looks like a lava.
And that's how it makes fireworks, because the water is mixing with the oil, and the food coloring is going through the oil through the water. And that's how you get your fireworks. Alright, that's it for our experiments. So if you guys have any other experiments you'd like us to try, go ahead and comment down below. And we'll see you guys in our next video.